Hi, lifestyle lovers. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Erica. My channel is called SE Lifestyle, and it's all about creating a good lifestyle. If you're not new to my channel, then you know that I am revamping my entire bedroom. And today is the day that the furniture arrives. So I'm pretty much organizing, I'm cleaning, I'm preparing for the new furniture's arrival. I'm deciding what's going to stay, what's going to go. So that is pretty much what this video is going to be about. So if you're interested in seeing the new furniture as well as some cleaning motivation, then keep watching.
Try to focus on breathing. My heart is skipping a beat. Your lips against a red cup makes me lose my mind.
Okay, lifestyle lovers. So my plan was to clean my carpet before the new furniture arrived with my personal carpet cleaner. But, time wasn't on my side, so it didn't work out that way. I do plan to clean it at a later date, so I'm going to go ahead and just sweep the floor, vacuum it up really well. It wasn't really, the carpet wasn't really that dirty, but I just wanted it to be nice and fresh before the furniture arrived. But, I'll just have to do that at a later date.
Trying my best not to lose control. I want you, that's all I know. Trying my best not to lose control, 'cause I adore you, adore you. Trying my best not to lose control. I want you, that's all I know. Trying my best not to lose control, 'cause I adore you. Baby, I adore you. Maybe I adore you. Yeah, I'm feeling high. I'm up on cloud nine. Baby, I adore you.
Lifestyle lovers, I am trying to declutter and organize every area of my home. And this was pretty much a wake-up call for me. Most of the papers that you're seeing are papers and just important documentation that I had in my nightstand drawer. So pretty much I had been holding on to stuff from years and years ago. So my rule moving forward is if it's older than 2 years, throw it away. If it's a bill, if it's a receipt, or whatever the case may be, I plan not to keep anything past 2 years old.
A risk we're taking. If it's a shot of love, baby, I adore you. Maybe I adore you. Yeah, I'm feeling high. I'm up on cloud nine. Baby, I adore you. I try to focus on breathing. My heart is skipping a beat. Your lips against a red cup makes me lose my mind completely. Ooh.
Okay, lifestyle lovers, American Signature just called and said they're probably about 10 minutes away, and they're probably about an hour ahead of schedule because I was not expecting them for another hour. Well, my time slot was not for another hour, so I'm gonna hurry up and try to vacuum the floor. I didn't get a chance to get the carpet clean. I may try to do it, I don't know, whenever, but I'm gonna hurry up and vacuum the floor, and then the furniture will be here.
Trying my best not to lose control. I want you, that's all I know. Trying my best not to lose control, 'cause I adore you, adore you. Trying my best. closer to midnight. I try to get closer to you. Drinking courage from my red cup now. I will soon make a move. Ooh, I can taste it. The bittersweetness of taking a shot. A risk worth taking. If it's a shot of love, baby, I adore you.
Surprised you guys are not wearing any masks.
You need me to?
I mean, we 6 feet apart, so it ain't, you know.
It's just hard for us to breathe without them.
I know.
But if you need me to put it on, I'll put it on.
Yeah, we 6 feet apart,
Okay.
so that's cool.
All right, and the dresser's going right there.
It's going right here, yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Uh-huh.
Okay. Huh?
You come here for a second, please? I'm gonna have to move that out of the way to the dresser.
Okay.
Alright.
You sure?
Yeah, because. What about this? Can you move
Cause no, we can't move that. But I'm just saying they was able to get, cause it was a dresser here before,
Yeah.
and it was able to maneuver it through there.
The one we're putting in is kind of heavy, like.
Okay.
You know, like right here, we don't have any room here.
Okay, lifestyle lovers. So according to the movers, the dresser is really, really heavy. So they had to kind of maneuver some things at the top of the stairs in order to get it up. So I'm just going to go ahead and resume to the cleaning portion of the video, which is just pretty much making my bed up while they maneuver the dresser up the stairs.
It's not to lose control. I want you, that's all I know. Trying my best not to lose control. Cause I adore you. Baby, I adore you. Maybe I adore you. Yeah, I'm feeling higher and higher. I'm up on cloud nine. Baby, I adore you. Trying my best not to lose control. I want you, that's all I know. Trying my best not to lose control. 'Cause I adore you, adore you. It's getting closer to midnight. I try to get closer to you. Drinking courage from my red cup now. I will soon make a move. Ooh, I can taste it. The bittersweetness of taking a shot. A risk worth taking.
How's that?
Could you put the TV up there?
Oh, venga acá. Yeah. Venga acá.
Please.
Claro que sí.
I don't understand Spanish.
That's crazy. You look so Dominican.
I do.
Yeah.
Okay.
There. How'd that look? And you recording me.
Yeah, I do YouTube, so
Hey, what you do? House stuff?
yeah.
So, I'm casado.
Say hey to the lifestyle lovers.
Lifestyle lovers. What's up, lifestyle lovers? About to subscribe. Better hit that like button and subscribe.
That's right.
I got you. I just need to take a picture of this and you'll be all set.
Okay, cool. The furniture is here. It looks really good too. These are the nightstands, honey. So we have 2 nightstands. And they are huge. Look at this storage down here. This is huge, 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 huge. It also has the USB on the back, so I can charge my phone. And then I have the dresser. Oh, it looks so good. It looks so good, lifestyle lovers. It looks so good. It looks to me more than what it was worth. It looks very high end. I don't know if you guys remember, but I told you that I am changing out the hardware, so I did not expect for it to come already assembled, but it is. So I'm gonna have to unscrew it and spray paint it because I want it to be gold. It's not gonna be a gold. It's gonna be a light gold, a very muted gold. So I have to make sure that I'm able to find the perfect gold. To me, the silver hardware just kind of blends in with the furniture. It does no justice, the silver hardware. So they should have had an option to do either gold or silver. So I am going to change out the hardware, and of course I'll do that in another video. I was actually supposed to go in the office today, but I had to have someone fill in for me to be here for the delivery of the furniture. But I'm loving it, lifestyle lovers. I love it. It looks so freaking good. So the next step is, of course, we have the headboard panels in the back. They have to go here for the bed. I want to get the TV mounted to the wall. And of course you guys have seen the rug. But other than that, lifestyle lovers, that's pretty much it for this video. I need to get back to work. I'm actually on the clock. But yeah, I love it. So let me know in the comments below. Let me know what you think. What do you think of the new furniture? I love it. That's it. I will see you on the next video. Have a great day. Stay encouraged. Be safe. Holla.